Hey guys, I'm Rho Trades and you're watching Rho Trades YouTube channel, and today is October 1st, the first day of this month. So you know that we are in the 1 day time frame, so every single month we have a new pivot point and new CPRs that will appear. Okay, so what I thought today is, this month I was curious to watch this month's CPR and the resistance supports. So this is Nifty chart in 1 day time frame, and we have this narrow CPR right here. Okay, so no matter if the CPR is narrow or range, so this is a white CPR, and also the market was trending the last month, the whole month, and you can see this is a narrow CPR. This is the example of narrow CPR in Nifty. So opening above the CPR, the market has gradually went up with respect to the 20 period moving average. And also you can say this is the uncertain times when the narrow CPR stays in the range for the whole month. You know that June, July, the market was not moving anywhere other than that 15,800 range. Okay, so this was that period, and you can see this is the example of narrow CPR. If the CPR is narrow, the market moves above the CPR, it's going to be trending from there. So that's a very simple idea, right? So what happened this month? This is the first day of October, and the time is just 12:30. Almost we have 3 hours more to go. So if this candle closes red, this is a very good. I think this is a symbol, sign of bearishness in the market. But unless this is the main thing, unless the market breaks above the TC lines and closes. Okay, so you can have this standards or break even or stop loss, something like that. So if the market sustains, if the market continues to be below the CPR, so as long as it's going to be there below the CPR, the stronger the bearish momentum will be there. So for me, that's the idea. And also we have a little bit of a doubt in this setup because of the whole setup in which I trade using in intraday also is 20, 50, 200 and the CPRs. If you see that, this could be a very good support because of the 20 period moving average in 1 day time frame. So my view on market for the Nifty 50 is, in case the CPR TC levels is not broken, if the market doesn't go above 17,600, if the market doesn't go 17,600 and above and closes on daily basis, that's when the market will start to buy, unless it's going to be in selling moment. So right now I'm not telling you to go in the sell side. I'm right now telling you not to be in the buy side. Maybe be it futures or be it maybe out of the money options if you're going to buy or something like that. Don't be in the buy side of the market right now, because this is a caution. So only after the market crosses 17,600, you're going to be starting to buy. And this is purely based on the 1 day time frame in Nifty 50. So usually what happened in intraday also, when we will patiently wait for the market to pull back and take support on the 20 MA, and then we will start to buy. So maybe if today the market is going to be so maybe today if the market is going to close red, if the market is going to close red here, the next candle may open green and maybe it can take the market up above. Unless this happens, you are not supposed to buy. So unless this happens, if the next day candle also starts to go down, this is your first target, and this can be your second target, and this can be a third target. So this is how the market will start to move. So this is my idea based on Bank Nifty. So unless it crosses the 17,000, I'm so bad at drawing with mouse, oh my god. Unless it crosses 17,600, it's a very crucial level. Unless it crosses above, you're not going to buy it. So that's my view on Nifty 50. And also don't go for sell before you get this confirmation of breaking down of consecutive 2 candles red, and you can always have the stop loss of 17,600. So that's my view on Nifty 50 right now. So next we come to Bank Nifty, right? So it's almost the same. So in Bank Nifty also we have this narrow CPR starting. This is a narrow CPR right here. This is the same procedure. So unless the market closes above 37,400, so 37,400 is going to be your crucial levels, right? So unless it crosses above the 37,400 levels, you are not going to buy. So what can possibly happen? The same thing. The market is taking support at 20 MA. What can happen? Today let the candle close like this itself today. This will be considered a doji, and if there is a green candle again, which will take the market upside and cross the 37,400, and that's the trigger for you to enter buy for positional trade or something like that. Okay, unless that you don't need to go for buying. And there is a possible crash that maybe there's a possible crash. Usually September month we can witness some crashes, but maybe it can postpone to October also, we never know. So that's what. So if the next candle continues to beat the candle's low and come down, you can very easily have this target right here. First target, second target, third target. Maybe, I don't know, maybe not too much, but maybe the possibility are there to reach this level if it closes down. So that's what I'm trying to say. This is purely based on 1 day time frame. And even in 1 hour time frame, maybe if you're a 1 hour time frame fan, I think this is a very good sign of crossover in the sell side. So you know that when is the last crossover happened? The last crossover happened where? Here, when the market was around 35,500 level, 35,600, and that crossover took this market all the way up to 38,000 plus. So almost 2,500 points rally, right? So the same thing can be possible, and that's what I'm telling. It's just oh my God, what's happening? That's what I'm saying. It is possible to happen, but it may not happen exactly. So to be in the cautious side, to be in the safer side, what you should do is don't go for a buying trade right now. Wait for the buy trigger. Also, don't go for a selling trade. Wait for the sell trigger. And I told you what's the sell trigger, what's the buy trigger, right? So when the second candle closes below the first candle of this month, go for selling. And also when it closes above the CPR, go for buying. So right now you have to wait and watch. The market is trying to give you some caution. So we have to wake up, and we don't need to get trapped right here. And that's what I think for this month. So for this whole October, we have to wait and watch till the market breaks either side. It's not too much. Maybe it is just a matter of like 300 points up and down in Bank Nifty. It will give you the perfect direction from there. And also in Nifty, it's like 100 point up and down, and from there you will get a direction. So you won't miss a lot. Maybe 100 points in future is in Nifty is like 5,000 rupees. But it's the 5,000 rupees weight is worth, right? Because you are going to get the direction clearly, and then you're going to enter. So wait for some time and get the trigger and enter, and that's what I want to say. So there is a potential crash going to be coming in the market. So we can expect a crash because the market is continuously making all-time highs. Even the global market as well as our Indian markets and Asian markets, everything is making completely all-time highs, and which obviously indicates some bad things may happen in the market, and that's what I'm feeling right now. So this is Friday, and I think I just had some intraday trade for like small scalp, but I don't think I'm going to be taking a position today, and that's what I'm also recommending you guys to do. And this is a position which I closed from last 2 days because of the uncertainty in the market. I just want to go with the trend. So when I get the confirmation, I'll just go with the trend. So this is the trade which I closed today, and I'm not carrying forward any trade for tomorrow, and I have no other positions in any of the accounts open. So I'm just going to leave this day idle, and Monday after closing, I think Monday I'll do intraday, and after closing on Monday I'll just look at the market and then take positional trades if I want. So I suggest the same for you guys. So yeah, I hope this video will be helpful for you, maybe added some value to what your perspective was on the market. So if you like this video, please consider liking the video and share this video to the friends who are actively trading. Maybe this may help some of the people get rid of their positions or be in the safer side. So share this video and subscribe to the channel, and that's the most important thing. So see you in the next video. Bye, take care.